Grand Rising family, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Thank you to everyone who supports the Geechee Empress community. I love all of you guys. So I want to get into this message on this fine Monday morning. This message will not resonate for everyone. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't. It's a bit of a warning message, okay? There's a storm coming for some. It may affect you directly or indirectly. But there's something that the Most High God is doing in the midst of this storm. He is permitting it for a reason, and I want to talk about that. Because I don't want anyone to lose their wits about them or to lose their faith in the midst of the storm, okay? There is a storm coming for some. This has something to do with someone's family, okay? This storm is erupting because someone is going to tell a lie. There is a lie that is going to be told on the divine feminine, okay? Yes, the Most High God will permit this. Sometimes He will permit a thing because He is doing His own thing, okay? He will permit it so that He can use it to bless you. That is this situation. So someone's going to tell a lie. On a divine feminine. And it is going to cause a storm to erupt. It is going to feel like everyone is coming against you, okay? It is going to feel like people are condemning you. It is going to feel like heavy warfare. 222 on the timer as I said that. I want you to understand that when this storm comes, when this warfare arises, when these people come against you, you are to keep your mouth shut. Do not respond. Do not react. Do not feed into it. That is what the enemy wants. That is what the enemy wants. That is what the enemy needs. The enemy needs your reaction. And if you don't give it any energy, the enemy will have no choice but to flee from you, right? Remember, maybe your grandparents used to say, if you resist the devil, he will flee. So it's the same thing, right? Don't feed into it. Don't react to it because that's what they want. Okay? Just stay quiet. Continue to do what it is that you do. Continue to have tunnel vision. Okay? Remain silent. Because in your silence, your enemies, these people who are rising against you, they're going to be exposed. They're going to expose themselves. They're going to expose themselves. God is going to allow this. He's going to cause this. Their exposure is divinely orchestrated, okay? But it only happens with this storm that is coming. Doesn't matter what is said behind your back. Like, it just doesn't matter. Because someone is going to come to you and tell you something, whoever I'm talking to. Someone's going to come to you and tell you something as if they're coming to give you a warning or a heads up. But what they're really doing is coming in trying to get a reaction out of you, okay? They're trying to get a reaction out of you because they are a part of the plan. There is elevation in this for you. God is going to use these people as your footstool. You're going to come out of this unscathed. It's almost like being in the eye of a hurricane. We know the eye of the hurricane is the calmest point, right? And everything around the eye, yeah, destruction. You're going to come out of this unscathed. You're going to come out of this elevated because God is going to use this as your footstool. I also want you to understand warfare, witchcraft, because this is witchcraft, okay? But witchcraft isn't always someone doing physical work, burning a candle, dressing a candle. Like, witchcraft can be words that are spoken, word curses, all right? Whomever I'm talking to, you're already in the midst of something, feeling like you're already in the midst of warfare. I can't take anymore. It's already warfare. Like, those are your thoughts, those are your feelings. But understand that when you are chosen, when you are called to a particular thing, right? Warfare, it comes. It comes to train you, to grow you, to give you wisdom, to give you knowledge, to give you skill. No, it doesn't feel good. It doesn't. But it serves purpose. And even this warfare will serve purpose. So just be mindful in the coming weeks, in the coming days, okay? Because this is going to be days or weeks. But this storm is coming. A lot of people will not come out of it unscathed, but you, Divine Feminine, most certainly will. Okay? The people that try to rise and come against you, not so much. Exposure is their portion. And when I say exposure, I mean God is fixing to expose everything. Some of them will be ruined. But you continue to remain in silence. I don't know who this message is for, but I pray that it reaches you. Until next time, y'all, peace.